Hello, this is Dawn Takacs, the Streamline Seamstress. Thank you so much for this love and support and the messages. It's been a long time since I posted a video, and I'm going to make this one really short. I wanted to let you know that I took a sabbatical from making videos because my mom got very ill, and I'm her baby. And I was the only person available to care for her. And she became my main focus for the better part of 2023 and 2024. She was on hospice, and God bless hospice. They were absolutely amazing, and they helped guide me through this process. But I held my mom in my arms, and I sang an Irish lullaby to her. Tora, Laura, Laura, if you know that one. And she passed on April 24th, 24. And it's been about a year, a little over a year, I guess. And I miss her every day. But I do my very best to represent her well and to give back as much as possible, to help others, and to continue to grow and learn from others. And I wanted to post this video to let you know that I'm going to come back and do some videos. But I also started another channel called Pittsburgh Brides. And that's YouTube /@ Pittsburgh Brides. I'm heavily involved in the wedding community with my career. And it's a new channel. And if you have a daughter or a granddaughter or a groom, a grandson or a son that may be on the horizon of getting married soon, I'm doing a lot of wedding tips and insights and perspective that may help them along that journey. And I would really love for you to recommend my channel to them, or to join yourself and come on over and help support my new channel. I would really appreciate that. And if you're in the Pittsburgh area, say so in the comments and give me a heads up and let me know. But I'm going to be doing some wedding related things, so if any of your grandmothers or mothers out there are interested in making a veil or making a floral bouquet or anything special, even garters for the wedding, for the bride and groom, for the reception, I am going to be going over some of those things on this channel. Just simple, easy things, trying to divvy up my time the best that I can. Yeah, I'll show you a picture of me and my mom. So there she is in all of her glory. I hope that you can see. This was us. We were taking a day out to go to the Gateway Clipper and have some cocktails and some food. She was a foodie. She loved trying new and different things. And I know that she's around. I sense her, I feel her. I feel her presence with me. And as some of you may or may not know, I'm in the event space. I do a lot of event planning. I did that before the pandemic. And every day when I would visit my mom, when she was on hospice, I would play this song for her. And it was Ain't No Mountain High Enough. It's that song from the 60s. Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from you. I can't sing, but I would play it for her on my phone to remind her coming back, and that she's not alone, and that I'm her person. Every event that I've done since she's passed, that song comes on. Every event. And usually it's the second or third song, and I don't ask the DJ to play it or the band. In one case, it was a band that played it. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little emotional. But she lets me know that she's around. And I want to thank this community for being so supportive in helping me to get through the pandemic, taking care of my mom. After things calmed down and got better, it was right from the fire into the frying pan with her illness. And hug your mom. Take lots of pictures of her with you. Grandmas, take pictures with your grandchildren and your daughters. Don't let them convince you, or don't convince them that you don't want to do a picture with them, because I don't have near enough. You should have lots of pictures with your parents. But that stated, I am going to pull back the tears and say, love is all there is and all we are in the end. I want you to know that I really appreciate all of you, and I thank you for the emails and the messages and letting me know that you care. And I'm back. I'm better. I'm grieving, but I know every day that she's with me, and that gets me through, and it makes it tolerable. It's one day at a time, one step at a time. I take a deep breath, and I know she would want me to live my best life for whatever time heaven will allow, whatever time I have left. And so that stated, I will be back. This is Dawn, the Streamline Seamstress. Hopefully I can save you time, money, and energy and show you some things, some hacks that will help you in the interim. If you would like to support my new channel, I'd appreciate that. Go over to Pittsburgh Brides. It is also one of our featured channels. I'll drop that for you. Where you can easily find it, and leave us a comment over there and be like something Streamline, so that I know you're one of our Streamline fans. And I'll be seeing you, because I have a quest to make a veil. I've made a veil before, but won't that be fun? And I think it would be great for you mothers and grandmothers to learn how to make, because I went shopping for veils and they were like $400, $500. It's a crazy amount of money for a veil that they're going to wear for less than an hour. So this is on my list of things to show you how you can hack it and maybe help one of your grandchildren or children in your family save some money. And let's do some sewing together. So until then, I'm signing off. Thanks.